Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about Delhi. It is called the National Capital Territory of Delhi. We all know that New Delhi is the capital of India. So at first, let's see the location. So this is the location map of Delhi. Look at the position. It is located in north central India. You can see here, right? And Delhi is very well connected city, well connected with all the important towns of India. There is an international airport called the Indira Gandhi Airport, and it is a most populous city also, as so many people from the country as well as from outside come as tourists to visit the city, which is full of history. Climatic condition of Delhi. Delhi has an extreme climate. Extreme climate means during the summer the temperature is very hot, and during the winter the temperature is very cold. So there is a huge difference between summer and winter temperature. So the annual temperature ranges between on an average of 16 degree to 32 degree Celsius. Delhi is a historical city. There are so many forts, temples, mosques are there. For example, you can write Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, Birla Mandir are there. Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is a new addition to the city. It is a temple like a lotus built out of marble. All important central government offices are in New Delhi, like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court, etc. There are also samadhis of our great leaders in Delhi, like the samadhis of Mahatma Gandhi, samadhis of Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. Okay. The people of Delhi celebrate a number of festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day are celebrated by people of all religions. Okay. So here I close the chapter for today. Further discussion will be done in our next live class. Okay.